Nursing jobs in Denmark. Step-by-step guide. Top 3 recruitment agencies. Are you a nurse dreaming of working in Denmark? You know, those picturesque landscapes you see in travel magazines with windmills and happy people on bicycles? Denmark is known for its exceptional quality of life, a fantastic work-life balance, and a healthcare system that's the envy of the world. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know to secure a nursing job in Denmark. We're talking a step-by-step guide, no fluff, just the facts. And the best part? You won't need to stress about IELTS or OET exams. We'll also introduce you to the top 3 recruitment agencies that can help make your transition smooth and successful.
Understand the Danish healthcare system. Before you pack your bags and brush up on your Danish, it's crucial to understand how their healthcare system works. Denmark has a publicly funded healthcare system, which means the government foots the bill for most medical expenses. That translates to affordable, high-quality care for everyone. As a nurse in Denmark, you'll likely be working in public hospitals, local clinics, or community health centers. Denmark takes pride in its patient-centered approach. They're all about providing compassionate, holistic care, so if that resonates with you, you're already a good fit. In Denmark, healthcare is a right, not a privilege. As a nurse, you'll be a vital part of this system, ensuring everyone gets the best possible treatment. It's not just about treating illnesses, it's about promoting well-being for all.
Meet educational and professional requirements. Now let's talk about the qualifications. To work as a nurse in Denmark, you'll need a recognized nursing qualification equivalent to their standards. This usually means having a bachelor's degree in nursing. Think of it as your passport to the Danish healthcare world. Of course, you'll need a valid nursing license from your home country. They'll want to make sure your training aligns with their high standards. Don't worry, there are processes in place to assess your qualifications.
Learn Danish. No IELTS or OET needed. Unlike some other countries, Denmark doesn't require you to jump through the hoops of IELTS or OET exams. That's right, you can put those test prep books away. However, there's a catch, and it's an important one. Fluency in Danish is essential. It's the language of healthcare in Denmark, and for good reason. Clear communication is key to providing safe and effective care. You need to understand your patients, and they need to understand you. Most agencies and employers will be looking for at least a B1 or B2 level in Danish. Now, before you panic, there's good news. Many agencies actually provide language training as part of their package. They know that learning a new language takes time and effort. They're there to support you every step of the way.
Apply for Danish authorization. Alright, so you've got your qualifications in order, and you're brushing up on your Danish. The next step is to get the official stamp of approval from the Danish Patient Safety Authority. They're the gatekeepers of healthcare in Denmark, ensuring everyone working in the system meets their high standards. To start the process, you'll need to submit an application. You'll need to gather your educational documents, proof of your nursing experience, and some identity verification. Think of it like building a case for why you'd be a fantastic addition to the Danish healthcare system. Keep in mind, the authorization process can take a few months. So, my advice is to apply early. The sooner you get the ball rolling, the better.
Secure a job offer. Once you've received the green light from the Danish Patient Safety Authority, it's time to land that dream job. And trust me, there are plenty of opportunities out there. Denmark is always on the lookout for skilled and compassionate nurses. Many hospitals and clinics actively recruit internationally. They recognize the value and diverse perspectives that international nurses bring. Networking with recruitment agencies can be a game changer. These agencies have their fingers on the pulse of the Danish healthcare job market. They know who's hiring, what they're looking for, and how to make your application stand out from the crowd.
Global Medical Recruiting. First up, we have Global Medical Recruiting. They specialize in placing healthcare professionals in Europe, and they have a stellar reputation for helping nurses like you find their perfect fit in Denmark. What sets them apart is their commitment to going the extra mile. They take the time to understand your skills, your experience, and your career aspirations. They also know that navigating the Danish healthcare system can be overwhelming, especially for newcomers. That's why they provide comprehensive support throughout the entire process. They'll help you with your Danish language training, guide you through the licensing procedures, and even assist you with finding accommodation in Denmark.
EMS Recruitment. Next on our list is EMS Recruitment. They've got a vast network of connections with healthcare institutions all across Europe, including a strong presence in Denmark. EMS Recruitment focuses on making the transition as smooth as possible for you. They'll work closely with you to understand your career goals and preferences. Then they'll tap into their network to find job placements that align with your aspirations. They have a strong track record of placing nurses in various specialties. TMI Job Services. Last but certainly not least, we have TMI Job Services. These folks are known for their reliability and their comprehensive support system for healthcare professionals moving to Denmark. What sets TMI Job Services apart is their personalized approach. They know that every nurse is unique with different skills, experiences, and goals. They'll take the time to get to know you, understand your motivations for moving to Denmark, and tailor their services to meet your specific needs. They're invested in your success, and they'll do everything they can to make your transition to Denmark as seamless and rewarding as possible.
As you embark on this exciting journey, remember that adapting to a new culture is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the Danish work ethics and values, especially their emphasis on work-life balance. You'll find that Denmark offers an exceptional quality of life, and your hard work will be met with appreciation and respect. If you're ready to take the leap and start a rewarding career in Denmark, follow these steps and you'll be well on your way. So go for it. You've got this. Narrator. I'm creating many videos about international nursing careers to help you on your journey. I hope you find these guides useful. If there's a specific country or topic you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. I'll do my best to make it happen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my GK Health Passport for more valuable insights.